Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me XIAOMI Redmi A1, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. Let's start by turning off all unnecessary running services. To do that, just open the quick access panel and let's take a closer look at all the items. So firstly, of course, we need to reduce our screen brightness, and then great. So here we have Wi-Fi enabled, and I have no SIM card, but if you have mobile data enabled, so you need to disable one of these items, because if you are using Wi-Fi right now and you are connected to Wi-Fi network, so just disable your mobile network. And if you are using for mobile network, just disable Wi-Fi right now, because if your phone searching for not available features, for not available networks, it will reduce your battery power. Okay. So the next step is Bluetooth. If you are not using Bluetooth right now, just disable Bluetooth, because Bluetooth searching for new devices every time, every moment, every second. So just disable Bluetooth. And of course, location services. As you can see, I have no location services here. If you have no location here too, so click on pencil button, scroll down, and here you will see location. Now click and hold on location and drag it to top part of your screen. And as you can see here, we have location here in our control panel. So just click on it to disable. Great, location disabled, because location looking for GPS signal constantly too, like Bluetooth. Okay, the next step is your battery settings. So if you want to set up your battery, open settings, then scroll down and find here battery. Okay. And what we have here we have battery saver and battery manager. In battery manager, you can enable use battery manager. Battery manager is a good feature. This feature detects when apps drain battery. So if any application is draining battery right now for junk activities, you will see the message about, I don't know, Chrome is draining battery right now. So just disable it and you will see button to disable. Click on it, and by clicking on it, Chrome will be disabled. Okay, so it's a good feature to save your battery and to protect your battery from draining applications. And of course, you can enable battery saver mode. You can set up a schedule to battery saver, and you can turn off. Okay, I can. Okay, based on percentage, so you can enable automatically enable power saving mode when is under 20%, for example, or under 10, 5, 15%. Maybe 15 is good decision. And great. And of course, you can enable battery saver mode right now. And as you can see, I have enabled this mode. In this mode, my device use less RAM, and it means less battery power. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. I hope I have helped you. And that's it. Bye.